Hey, beautiful people, and welcome back to Afrochic Fashion Trends, your go-to destination where culture meets creativity and every strand tells a stylish story. In today's video, we are bringing you a curated collection of the latest and most adorable back-to-school cornrow braids and ponytail hairstyles for little girls in 2025. Whether your little queen is heading back to class, prepping for a school photo day, or just wants to show up looking effortlessly chic, we've got something for everyone in this lineup. From classic straight back cornrows to curved side part braids, from single braid ponytails to beaded crown cornrows, these looks are a perfect blend of cute, practical, and protective. They're easy on the scalp, gentle on young strands, and can last throughout a busy school week with minimal touch-ups needed. That means less stress for parents and more confidence for the kids. This year, 2025 is all about creative braid patterns, bold yet wearable styles, and playful details like beads, ribbons, cuffs, and colorful elastics. These aren't just hairstyles, they're confidence boosters designed to make every little girl feel seen, celebrated, and stylish. And yes, we know every child's hair is different. That's why we've included a wide variety of options for natural curls, mixed texture hair, Brazilian wool, Kanekalon extensions, and even styles that don't require added hair at all. Whether you're working with tight coils, soft kinks, or fine strands, there's something here that works beautifully for every hair type and length. These looks are also perfect for moms, aunties, grandmas, big sisters, and hairstylists searching for inspiration for low-maintenance yet gorgeous hairstyles that are easy to manage during busy school mornings. Some styles can be done in under 30 minutes, perfect for little ones who can't sit still for too long. What makes these styles extra special? They're not only great for school, but also ideal for other everyday adventures, from weekend playdates and birthday parties to church events or cultural gatherings. It's all about versatility and simplicity without compromising style. So go ahead and grab your comb, detangling brush, edge control, and favorite beads, because you're about to discover some back-to-school braid magic that will inspire your next hair session. Stick around till the end because we've packed this video with ideas you won't want to miss, and you just might discover your new favorite go-to hairstyle for the season. If you love celebrating culture through hair, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your favorite style, and subscribe for more beautiful content that uplifts, educates, and showcases the beauty of textured hair from across the globe. And of course, big love and appreciation to the incredible hairstylists and creative moms out there who brought. Your hands are blessed, and your artistry is everything. Let's get into it. Your 2025 simple back-to-school cornrow braids and ponytail hairstyles for little girls starts now. And there you have it. Style lovers, a stunning collection of simple, beautiful, and protective cornrow braids and ponytail hairstyles that are perfect for back-to-school season and beyond. Whether you're a mom styling your little one before class, a stylist looking for fresh ideas, or just someone who loves seeing the magic of African-inspired hairstyles, we hope you found inspiration, joy, and a few favorites to try out. At Afrochic Fashion Trends, we believe every hairstyle is more than just a look. It's a celebration of identity, creativity, and culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which hairstyle was your favorite? Which one will your little princess be rocking next? And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to join the Afrochic family for weekly doses of beauty, braids, and fashion inspiration from Africa and beyond. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep celebrating every curl, braid, and beautiful strand. Afrochic Fashion Trends, where beauty meets tradition with a global flair. Bye for now.